back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm pretty, I'm nice, as you can see. So I'm so excited today because my best friend in the UK is getting married today. So I traveled over to the UK. So this morning I got up very early and filmed my tutorial so you guys can see what I used for her wedding. If you're interested in knowing how I'm looking beautiful and gorgeous, my hairstyle, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you do find my videos interesting and my personality as well. Here, natural hair isn't boring at all, darling. So welcome, and let's get into the tutorial for today. But first of all, I'll show you the hairstyle. So this is the side, the front, and the back. So yeah, let's you need a hairbrush, maybe different kinds to brush your hair. This I used to apply the gel, this I used to detangle my hair. You need a tail comb to part your hair. You need some gel, you need some edge control, you need some oils to moisturize your hair before combing it. You also need some hair ties and some little rubber bands. And then you need your marley hair. So to begin, you need to part your hair. First of all, you part your hair into two sections like so, the back and the front. Then the front part, you come here, you section this side here like so. And now I'm going to start by working with this section here. So the hair is already detangled. I'll just go ahead and apply my gel. I'm using So I went ahead to put on gel on the three sections. That here I plaited the hair to lay flat and go behind here, and added it to this bone behind, and I tucked my hair after twisting it in this bone here and the back as well. So right now I went ahead, took my marley hair, one of the parts, I just removed it here. It's about 21 of these, so I separated it into two. This one has 10, the other one has 11. I'm going to work with this. So before I do that, I'll use my edge control to make sure my hair is laying really flat. So I'm done with my makeup, so let's finish the hair. I'm going to unravel my scarf. Wow, look at this. My hair is so laid. Wow. Like I wish this part here will also lay very well. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, grab my marley hair, this one, and put it in the back. I'm going to turn so you guys can see. So I'm going to twist it into 2 sections. Loose twist. So this is the Marley braid hair by Jenny's Beauty, because a lot of you ask all the time which particular brand of Marley hair I used, so that's the name of the Marley hair. So yeah, right now I'm just going to make sure I cover my own bun and go round and a pin while as I go. You need some bobby pins. Like so. I'll come in front and add this one here. Like so. Nice and secured. So I'm going to repeat what I did at the back, but this time I'm going to do it in 3 sections. I'm going to start first. I'll make sure this very first one tries to cover the entire bun. And I'll go with this one here. See, I'm trying to make sure it goes just one side. You can secure the hair later with your bobby pins once you're satisfied with the shape you want. See, this thing is really puffy right now, so when you turn it in the direction in which you twisted it, it becomes a little bit tight and smooth. So I'm going to go in last one like so. You see what I'm doing? I'm making sure the entire hair comes to the side. You see, and go and go. The last part, I'm going to secure the entire hair. I really love the Gorilla Gel and the edge control. They made my hair to lay really nicely. Yeah, so here is the final look of the hair. The front, the side, the other side, and the back. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you did love the tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and also do share my videos with your friends and family, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So